How to make money work for you, a beginner's guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind. How to make money from money. Whether you have a little bit saved up or you're just starting out, there are ways you can put your money to work for you. The first step to making money from your money is to save and budget wisely. Set aside a portion of your income for savings each month and create a budget that allows you to live within your means. This will give you a solid financial foundation to build upon. Once you have some savings in place, it's time to start thinking about investing. Investing allows your money to grow over time through the power of compound interest. There are many different investment options to choose from, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. If you're new to investing, it can be helpful to meet with a financial advisor who can help you create an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. They can help you navigate the world of investing and make informed decisions about where to put your money. As your investments grow, it's important to periodically review and adjust your portfolio to ensure that it continues to align with your goals. This might involve rebalancing your portfolio, diversifying your investments, or adjusting your risk exposure. One way to make money from your investments is through dividends. Many companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Reinvesting these dividends can help your investment grow even faster over time. Remember, investing involves risk, and there are no guarantees when it comes to the stock market. It's important to do your research, diversify your investments, and be prepared for both the ups and downs of the market. So there you have it. Some tips on how to make money from money. By saving, budgeting, and investing wisely, you can put your money to work for you and build a more secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.